Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's see how to combine the tucks and smock techniques together and create this beautiful sleeve design. So let's get started. Single fold the sleeve and mark 10 inches as the sleeve width and mark 23 inches as the sleeve length. This is a full sleeve. Next, mark 3.5 inches as the cap height and connect the points as shown. Now mark the midpoint of this line and mark 0.5 inch outwards and draw a curve connecting the points as shown to draw the back sleeve. Now mark the mid of midpoints up and down and 0.5 inches outwards on top and 0.5 inches inwards at the bottom and connect the line in the shape of S to draw the front sleeve. At this point, I will not make any sleeve open as I will need this full fabric for the design part. So I cut the back sleeve first and open and cut the front sleeve. If you need detailed instruction on how to cut a perfect sleeve, please watch my video on panel frock cutting and stitching for detailed instructions. Now, double fold and stitch the hem of the sleeve. Now, let's open and lay the sleeve as shown on a flat surface and secure it properly around with the help of a masking tape. Precise marking is very important for this design, so the fabric should not slip away when marking. Leave 0.5 inches for sewing allowance on either sides of the sleeve and draw a line 2 inches away from the hem of the sleeve as shown. Then mark points on this line with a gap of 1 inch between each points. Next, mark 3 points vertically, making it a total of 4 points with a gap of 1 inches between one another. Then, draw vertical lines as shown to connect all 4 points. This is a draft of the design. You can take a screenshot of this clip so that you don't have to watch the video every time. This is the 0.5 inches sewing allowance on either sides of the sleeves. Draw a line 2 inches above the hemline and mark points with a gap of 1 inches on this line. And mark 3 points above these points, making it a total of 4 points with a gap of 1 inches between each points and connect these points vertically as shown. Next, pinch the line and stitch the line as close as possible, just like giving a narrow pin tuck. Repeat the same for all the lines. Now, to start the smock, start from the point I have shown in the video and the arrows indicates the direction of the smock. Let's see how to smock the first 2 rows. Grab your needle and thread and pinch the 2 dots you need to connect and make multiple stitches as shown to finish one smock. In case the points are not clear, make it darker, but make sure the dots are marked precisely with equal gaps. It is when the pattern will appear uniformly. Now, put the needle downward and go to the second row and pinch the 2 dots and repeat the same. Next, move upwards and repeat this pattern. This is how it will look when you complete row 1 and 2. When moving to row 3 and 4, skip the dots I marked with a cross and start on the second dot of the third row and repeat the same pattern as before and complete the design. This is the completed look, and since the sleeve is a plain fabric, I will attach some pearls randomly to make it more attractive. Final step is to fold the sleeve and stitch the side. If you like this design, please like the video and leave your thought as a comment and click the subscribe button for more creative and interesting videos. Bye bye from Home Menu.